Tonight we're in the medical center at the TMC transit platform. We're replacing old contact wire. 750 volt DC power lines. As it gets older, it starts to wear down and become thin, and when it becomes thin, it can stretch out and it can snap. Tonight we started at 11:30. First train pulls out at 3:30 a.m. So it only gives us a couple hours to get our job done. Yeah, they are heavy. Multiple men have to handle them. The third cable will be the one that's being spliced in before we can cut out the second cable that's already up there. We cut it up in pieces. We have a recycling bin or metal. We throw it in there. There's a lot of weight up there. At times there's 3,800 pounds of tension. So the splice has pins in it, and we hammer the pins down, and then we have a crimper which will force the pins down even further. It takes a lot of upper body strength, and people get tired while they're up there. We like to swap out, give a man a break. The pressure's always on. We're definitely in a hurry because every minute that we hold up trains, we would have to get a bus bridge out here. We'll have some test trains come through at reduced speeds and then normal speeds. Without traction power, the trains definitely won't run. We're the first responders anytime something happens, and it takes us to get it up and running again.